The journey of each potato begins in the fields.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.
The factory doors open and the process begins.
Each potato is carefully sorted to ensure only the best make it through.
A thorough wash ensures the potatoes are clean and ready for the next step. Only the finest potatoes move forward to be cut and transformed. Each slice is precisely cut to perfection, ready to be fried. The chips fry to golden crispiness, the foundation of every Pringle. After frying, they're cooled and ready for the finishing touch.
Each chip is perfectly seasoned, ready to be packaged and enjoyed.
The chips are loaded and ready to be transported to the next stage.
The chips are sorted to ensure uniformity in size.
Only chips that pass the inspection move forward to the next stage.
The unwanted chips are removed to maintain quality. Each batch undergoes a final check before the deep clean. A deep wash removes any remaining impurities.
Now perfectly prepared, the chips are ready for frying.
A deep wash removes any remaining impurities. The chips are carefully dried to ensure they are ready for frying.
Once fried, the chips are cooled to ensure crispness.
After cooling, each chip is inspected for imperfections.
The chips are carefully seasoned, adding the perfect flavor. Each chip is evenly coated to ensure consistency.
Aids out to rag. The seasoned chips undergo a final inspection before the packaging process.
The chips are now ready to be packed and sealed for delivery.
The packaging process begins as the machines are set up for the final step.
Each bag is carefully filled, ensuring consistency and quality.
Only bags that meet the highest standards are approved for distribution. The chips undergo their final fry to perfect their crispiness. Cooling ensures the chips are perfectly crisp and ready for the next stage.
The chips are now ready for the final packaging.
The chips are now stacked, ready to be distributed. The chips are prepared and ready to be shipped to retailers. The trucks are loaded and prepared for their journey. High-tech sorting systems ensure that every bag is flawless.
Robotic arms streamline the packaging process, ensuring speed and precision.
The automated sealing process ensures that every box is properly secured.
Advanced labeling systems ensure that every box is correctly labeled before dispatch.
Robots ensure that every package meets the highest standards.
Real-time monitoring ensures that the entire process runs smoothly and efficiently.
Each batch undergoes a final scan to ensure it meets our strict standards.
The final products are stored and ready for shipping. Each bag is filled with precision to ensure the perfect portion.
The bags are securely sealed to preserve the freshness of the chips. Each bag is labeled accurately to ensure correct product information.
Every bag is thoroughly inspected before packaging for delivery.
Automation ensures a fast and efficient packing process.
Each box is sealed and labeled for shipment, ensuring no mistakes.
The pallets are stacked efficiently, ready for storage and distribution.
The finished pallets are stored, ready for shipment to customers.
The chips are loaded onto trucks, ready for distribution worldwide.
Each bag is thoroughly tested to ensure it meets quality standards. Every chip is tested for texture consistency to maintain quality. The chips are tested for their chemical composition to ensure safety and quality.
Upon arrival, the chips are carefully unloaded for the next phase.
Stored in optimal conditions, the chips are ready for packaging.
Each batch is carefully inspected before the next step.
The chips are now ready to be packaged, sealed, and shipped.
Each bag is sealed tightly, preserving the freshness of the chips. The chips undergo their final inspection before being dispatched.
The trucks arrive, bringing the product to the heart of the factory.
The chips are now ready to be stored and shipped out. The chips are now brought forward for their first step in the cleaning process. With precision, the bags are unloaded and set on the conveyor belt.
The chips are now within the factory, ready for final processing.
Each bag is meticulously checked for quality before the next phase.
The packaging line is set in motion, ready for the next step.
The final inspection ensures that every pallet is ready for delivery.
The bags are sealed securely, preserving the freshness of the chips. Off to the distribution center, where the next step awaits. On the road, the chips are transported with care to their destination.
And this is how modern factories produce chips from start to finish.